Mickey Mouse. Hindi ko alam yun. Kanino to? Ay, alam pangalan sayang. Nico, congratulations.
From?
From Jonah, Jolan, Alona, Lisi. Thank you for to Marley. Happy 7th birthday from Leah and Lance. I can't believe that. I can't believe. It's teddy bear.
Sige, buksan mo na. Buksan mo.
Sino to? See that? So beautiful, baby. To Ate Marley from Altea. Or thank you, Altea, ha? Manood kayo,
What's that?
Headband.
Suot mo.
Oh, a headband pink. Oh, a shirt. What is it's not a shirt.
Skirt.
Thank you for this skirt.
Sukat mo. Ganun mo,
No,
taas mo.
maya-maya na ako magsusukat. At ito, to Marie, happy 7th birthday. I hope you like it. To Nina Shiki. I'm so bad.
From?
It's from it's the lovable moment. It's so big. Super.
Aloha.
Aloha, boo. Aloha, boo, 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 boo. I like it. Eyeliner is I from Marley. To Marley. Happy 7th birthday from Liam Gabriel. Oh, I like it. Soda.
Go.
Gusto ko. Soda. Dami ko ng dress, no? Kaya Ate Rain yan naman. Like that. She buy it on her store. Tomorrow from Ate Jen. Nakalagay. Iba na naman. Here. Tomorrow. Happy 7th birthday, God bless. Ate Nikki, Ate Nene, CJ, and Ate Via. Hello. And Ate Nikki. Maganda talaga. Wow! Some candies. Okay. Ang dami ko na pong pansistan. Thank you po. Ito po. From Courtney to Marie. Thank you, ah. Madami na pong ganito. At salamat din po kay Kurt. Binigay niya po yung ganito niya, ah. Sa Wow, Sophia, the first thing. George. Mama, can you get that? To Marie from Direct Dominions. I think it's a shoes talaga. Ay, tama ako. Kasi snappy. Classmate ko po siya. I will try it now. Oh. Sorry po, hindi po kasya sa akin. Okay, thank you po, ah. Ay, here. From Kali. From Kali. Ay, bag. Kasi 7 bags siya, kaya... Ito yung gusto kong bag. Ito. Okay, thank you po. Okay. Happy 7th birthday. Tita Jay and Kai. Yeah. So big, so strong. 1 and 2. Ikalona.
Lagi ka na mabango niyan.
And this is Zara. It's from Zara.
From
From Zara.
Kuya.
Kuya.
Dito.
Tito Russell. He said yung regalo daw niya ay Zara at elephant daw, kaya nalaman ko elephant. Dun, 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 dun.
Kita.
Lapakan! Zach! From Zach. From Ate Yuki. A big bag! A big bag! What? Belong. Our tag. Here. And got that. To Maria. What?
ka?
Bibiyain ba? I don't know. Don't touch it. This is from
Tita,
Tita
Laline.
Lali.
Down.
It has 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 golden trees. Thank you. And that's 2. Blue
Dito,
magic.
dito ka na. Dun ka na.
Blue magic. Blue magic. I can't count. Blue magic.
Sit down. Down.
From,
Sit down.
from Samantha Ramos. Samantha Ramos. Thank you, Sam. You're my best friend forever. Hey, unicorn too. Look. Unicorn too. Unicorn too. Oh, I think I have one. This is from Almir. Ito ang kumot ka! Kumot ka! Siyempre din, nilalamig na din ako eh. Kasi po, naka-aircon dito ako. I think it's a hat from Marie. Happy birthday from
Down.
Eric's family.
Saiki.
Saiki family. Kailangan mo may raincoat. Sayang.
Sit down.
Okay po. And ito po ang regalo ni Papa. Papa, I will open it na. Kakabili lang po. Thank you, Papa. Thank you, Papa.
Tapos ka na ba?
Okay?
Yung kay Aling Norma.
Okay, meron pang couple. From Aling Norma.
Uy.
Oh. Ah, thank you. Thank you. Fancy. Ah. Thank you. Thank you for this song. Bye. You were such.
Mm.
At saka po pala, hindi ko po nasama. From Ate Myra, sino po ba siya? Thank you, ito po gusto ko bilhin. At si Bubbles.
Okay na.
Thank you for all. And this po pala, hindi ko po matatanggal dito. From Venice Laika to Marie. Hindi naman po. At, sige po. Sa next naman po tayo. po pala, madami po siyang ganun. Okay po, ito po yung cake. Yeah. Happy birthday. Chanel May. Kila Chanel po ito. Thank you po, Chanel. At hindi po. At nagustuhan. Meron pa po. Ito. Iba naman po ito. Kila Chanel din po. Yung Chanel po sa anak nila. Ito po sa parents ni Chanel. Thank you for the golds. Lala mo? Lala mo? Nalala mo?
Wow!
Nalala mo, meron akong gato.
Sukat mo na, sukat mo. Uy, ang ganda-ganda mo naman.
Oh, sabihin nyo. Andot. Basta, wag na natin to.
Marino!
Basta si Andre. Jen. Oh, thank you po sa lahat ng headbands.
Wow, dami!
Thank
For the clips.
please. No, please. Nagpapasalamat din po ako sa mga nagbigay ng gift cash. Sila po ay si Papa Ray, Lola Sander, Lola Esther. And ito po pala ang mga nagbigay. Sila po ay si Dear Marie from Dylan and John. Next, happy birthday, Marie, from Lolo, Tita June, Lolo, Tita Aita. Happy 7th